Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Interact more with me in the comment section. Let me know how you guys are. It's been a little while. Life's been, at me. Today I'll be reacting to RAYE Nightingale Lane. This was live at Abbey Road Studios. Let's get right into it, shall we?
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I have ever known. The song is called Nightingale Lane. On the street in the South London suburbs, where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained and tear stained was a pain that made me cold and numb. After the oceans I cried are made of steel. Just like but when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I'm letting go now. I just see a ghost town when sometimes at red lights with closed eyes I tell myself, I dare myself to go on, just saying somebody loved me once, somebody will again, like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true. Baby, but I'm loving someone the way I loved you. It was alright.
RAYE sings so majestically, like the way she controls her voice, the way she's able to do everything possible for you to feel the depth in her. It's so captivating, like the way she's able to do that. It's so captivating, guys, and I love this about her. Like she sings with so much power, like so much power, guys. Like you feel those emotions that she's feeling at the time you listen to the song or any kind of performance she's having. And talking about the song, this song is about the greatest heartbreak that she's ever known about. And then she say, I've had someone love me once. Like I feel like everyone experiences this, even if it's just once in your lifetime, you will experience this where you find like the greatest love of all times, like, and that love is the love that breaks you the most. Like people have it where it ends well for them and all that, but then people also have a sour where like that's the biggest heartbreak of the entire lifetime, and then you carry it with you throughout life. Like it's so crazy, guys. Like here saying we almost made it but we didn't make it. Like it's let's get back to this, guys.
There in June, next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain. Yeah, it took me long, hard years to get over you. It was an aching I refused to feel again. And looking back now, we never were quite right for each other, baby. But at the absence of passion in my life, I remember how alive love once was in my side. When I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. I just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes I tell myself, in fact I tell myself to go on, just say somebody love me once, someday somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane. And though we dabbled in love since maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone gon' come along and knock them walls down.
Of course.
And knock them walls down. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded that though I've let him go, now right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me. That someday someone will. Someone will come and find me there. I know it, I know it, I know it. Someone will love me like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane.
Guys, did she almost go like Oprah mode on us? I didn't know she could do that. Wow. The dynamics of Ray. It's interesting, guys. I really loved and enjoyed this performance. I hope you did too. The whole like mood of the song, the instrument, everything felt so surreal. Like it's a kind of song that calms you, and I think the artist plays a part in this work. Ray does this. Like I feel like Ray can sing you a lullaby. Like she could put you to sleep like so easily, like so easily, guys. She does this. This is her. This is her profession. This is what she's good at, and I really love her for this. Let me know if you've had your biggest heartbreak ever, if you've heard of any biggest heartbreak ever. If you had, let me know the stories in the comment section, guys. Maybe one day I'll share mine, but like, let me know your stories in the comment section, guys. Let me know them. Fill me in. Let me know what this song reminds you of. Let me know what memory it triggers for you. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.